Updating your billing address on Fora Financial is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Fora Financial website and log into your account using your username and password. Make sure you have access to your account to proceed with the update. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information, including your billing address. Step 3. Select Billing Information. In the Account Settings, find the option labeled Billing Information or Payment Details. Click on this option to access your current billing address and other related information. Step 4. Update your address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to save your changes and confirm that your billing address has been successfully updated. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the update. Keeping your billing information current is essential for smooth transactions.